Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you have an Apple device, be it a MacBook, be it a iPad, iPhone, and so on, watch, and whatever, you have security updates that are very important. So this actually has to do with 3 0 days that are actually exploited possibly in the wild. So this is a pretty important one that is in there. So there's a campaign of cybersecurity that tracks with the triangulation of iMessages. Apparently there's a problem there where you can be easily tracked, and of course there's attacks that go with the problem. So attackers obtain root privileges on target iOS devices with a kernel vulnerability. This was discovered and talked about by Kaspersky. So when you reboot the device, what happens is that the attackers have to reinfect it by sending an iMessage with malicious attachments. So just by receiving a text message, basically, you can actually have this happen. And, state hackers and many high-ranking organizations are exploiting all of this, including apparently Russia. So a lot of that, and of course, a lot more people can exploit this. Hackers just look at ways that they can actually, take control of devices, and you never know. So this also includes the fact that the backdoor can be dropped in your Mac or Apple device, and then it's of course being monitored, and everything you do can be monitored everywhere. So the 3 0 days can be fixed. You have to basically make sure that you update your system. iPhone 8 and later, iPad Pro all models, iPad Air 3rd generation and later, iPad 5th generation and later, iPad Mini 5th generation and later, iPhone 6s all models, iPhone 7 all models, iPhone SE 1st generation, iPad Air 2, iPad Mini 4th generation, and iPod Touch 7th generation. Macs running macOS Big Sur, Monterey, and Ventura. Apple Watch Series 4 and later, Apple Watch Series 3, Series 4, Series 5, 6, and 7, and SE. So this makes it 9 0-day vulnerabilities discovered in Mac devices since the beginning of the year. So very important to update. Make sure that you are up to date. This will keep your device safe. And of course, this is important to do so, like every operating system. Once again, shows you that Apple products are also target of malware and target of hackers. It is untrue that one is safer than the other in general. There are security flaws that are exploited all the time and that are discovered. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.